Raymond McDougall's my name. I'm the owner of McDougall Logging, currently working out of the Wanganui district. We've been logging here for about 10 years in this forest for Arbor. We currently have around 25 staff. Yeah, we run 3 processors, 4 or 5 diggers, forwarder, skidder, and yeah, we'll do a lot of 2-staging in this country. It's pretty steep, so yeah, skids are pretty small, so have a bit of gear to help with that. Got 2 cable haulers, 1 swinger and 1 pole hauler. The challenges we face out here are the remoteness. We're up to an hour and a half from town. This country is quite steep and gorgy, so yeah, a lot of challenges with getting the wood to the skid sites. Before we got the trailer in the container, we used to carry a lot of spares to replace our hoses on site. You know, if you blew something that you didn't have a spare for, it was pretty much yeah, get hold of the hose doctor in Wanganui or Ratahi, and then yeah, either meet them or wait for them. This boa pod on the trailer, we've had this almost coming up 3 years now. Introduced it, they set a container up for us, and then these came out, so we were sort of one of the first to jump into the trailer, which has yeah, certainly been well worth its weight in gold. This one here, because we can just hook it to the ute and you shoot off, we leave it pretty much in between the 2 crews. The main reason we went to the on-site pods with boa is they're on the job, they're on site. You blow a hose that you don't carry a spare for, you're up and running within 15 minutes, and also spare hoses aren't floating around in bottoms of machines getting covered in oil, and we're not relying on other contractors to come in. As we all know, there's a lot of paperwork with on-site contractors and subcontractors. This way here, you take care of this yourself. We don't have to sign individuals in, meet them at gates if they don't have RTs, etc. You could be waiting anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half for a hose doctor to get out here. If they're in town, like I say, we're a good hour to the site. So straight away there's an hour and a half that you're waiting to be up and running again, where with this on site, you know, 15 to 30 minutes max. You know, if you weigh that up out of a week, if you have an operator error and they tear a hose off or something, you know, you've virtually saved, you know, 2 hoses a week. You've saved 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours for that week, which yeah, is definitely a savings.